Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on connections and tap on more connection settings. Now just select private DNS. Now from here, just turn off private DNS. Just like that. Now once you select off, just tap on save. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, in many cases this problem appears when the date and time on your device are incorrect. Now to fix this issue, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just select Date and Time. Now from here, if you tap on Set Date, you can set the date on your smartphone manually, just like that. Now, if you tap on Set Time, you can set the time on your smartphone manually, just like that. Or you can enable this toggle to set the date and time automatically on your smartphone. Now, once you do that, and if this did not fix your issue, just go back and tap on Reset. Now from here, just scroll down, just tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the Control Center. Now from here, just tap on the power icon over here and select Restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the Wi-Fi issues on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.